The Jaguar F-Type. It looks alive, and it feels alive. Supercharged engines give the F-Type its burning sense of urgency. And the sense of urgency can be increased at will on F-Type S with dynamic launch mode. It gives you maximum acceleration from rest through first, second, and third gears. And from there on, every gear change is faster thanks to the ZF 8HP Quick Shift gearbox. To maximize performance, 8 closely spaced gears and sophisticated adaptive shift software keep the engine within its most effective speed range for longer. And that sensation of performance comes from what lies at the heart of every F-Type. 4 highly advanced supercharged engines deliver instant response and effortless performance. Each features a Roots-type twin-vortex supercharger mounted in the V of the engine to maintain the power plant's compact dimensions. Supercharged engines provide instant seamless power and torque at any speed. Combined with the F-Type's lightweight aluminium architecture, they deliver outstanding power-to-weight and torque-to-weight ratios. And every engine features an intelligent stop-start system that can improve economy by up to 5%. F-Type also sounds as alive as it feels. An active sports exhaust, standard on F-Type S and R and optional on F-Type, features active bypass valves which open during performance driving to deliver a race car-inspired F-Type roar. F-Type V8S and F-Type R are the first Jaguar cars with the optional switchable active sports exhaust, which allows manual control of the system. The Jaguar F-Type.